Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to start new chapter of 2 of grade 7 and 8. So today is the part 1 where I will describe all the topics of grade 7. So the chapter name is expression, formula and equations, where you will construct the expressions and use the formula to construct the expressions and also to solve the equations. So first topic is, you can see I have written here constructing expression. So before we start, let me introduce the expression word. What do you mean by expression? An expression is a combination of numbers, variables and operations. Look here children, 3x plus y. You can see here that 3 is a number, 5 is a number and x is a variable, and also operation is plus. Operations are what? The signs which we are using: plus, minus, division and multiplication. These are the 4 operations. Okay, and numbers are 3 and 5 here. 3 is standing with the variable. Variables are what? The letters which we are using to construct the expressions. Here I am using x. X is a variable. 3 is standing with x, so that's why the 3 is called coefficient, and 5 is a single number, is a fixed value, so we can say 5 is a constant. Okay, other examples I can say x plus 5, 2a plus 4, 3m minus 7, 7a. Okay, so all the numbers which are standing with the variable are called coefficient. All the letters are called variable, and the numbers who are standing alone without any variable is constant. So let's start some expression in words. How to write expression in words, or how to create expression from words. Okay, so first one is number, a number plus 8. We don't know which number, so we will assume any variable. So let me assume here x, so we can say x plus 8, a number plus 8, so we will assume a number is x. Let the number be x, so we will say x plus 8. Another is 5 more than y. 5 more than y. Here I have already given you the variable, so you will just write 5 plus y, or you can also write y plus 5. Okay, either you can write 5 plus y or you can write y plus 5. Another is 3 times n. So just simply write 3 times n in the short form 3n. Last one is half of p. Half means we are dividing with 2. So simply you will write p over 2, or you can also write p divided by 2. Any one you can write. Next is divides the number by 5 and then adds 3. So I will divide the number. Which number? Any variable you can use. So let me use here y. We have to divide by 5, so y over 5, and then we have to add 3. Please children, when we are constructing expressions from words, go according to the direction. If they are telling you to add before division, you will do adding, you will write the addition one before division. Here I have said divides the number first and then adds 3, so that's why I wrote it here plus 3. Next one is multiplies the number by 5. So we have to multiply any number or any variable, we can say, so with 5. So 5 times x gives you 5x. And then subtract the result from 52. So this is the result, and we have to subtract it from 52. So here 52 will come before 5x, because we have to subtract 5x from 52. Next one is x more than 5, xy. X more than y is x plus y. X less than y will be y minus x. Because x is less than y, that's why we are writing x here later. If it is written here y less than x, then we can say x minus y. In addition, you can change their places, doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. Even if you write y plus x or x plus y, your result will be same. But in subtraction, you have to go according to their instructions. Last one is m more than 2 times n. So m more than 2 times n. So m is more than 2 times n. Either you can write m plus 2n, or you can also write 2n plus n. Both the result will be same. Okay, now next one is using expressions and formula. How to use the expressions in formulas. So now here I will give you the any number for the variable. So if x is 6, then solve 2x plus 5. So what you will do in this topic, you will substitute the variable with the given number. Okay, here I have given you x is equals to 6, means x is 6. So substitute the x with the given value. So I will write here, my children, if there is no sign together, it means it is multiply. If the variable and letter is together and there is no sign, you can see that there is no sign, means you will do multiplication. So I will say 2 times x plus 5. So 2 times x, use board mass, 2 times x will be 12 plus 5 will gives you 70. Another is y equals 5, where 30 over y minus 2. Okay, so we have to use the y value as 5. So I will assume 30 over 5 minus 2. First I will divide. 30 divisible by 5 is 6, because 30 comes in 5 table 6 times. Minus 2 gives you 4. Next is x equals 9 and y equals 1. Then what is x plus y equals over 2? So if x equals 9 and y equals 1, I will substitute x and y value and then divide with 2. So 9 plus 1 gives you 2. 9 plus 1 gives you 10. Over 2 will gives you 5. So my final answer will be 5. Now the fourth one, I have given you one formula. Formula is m equals p plus e, where p is $3 and e is $7. So now find the m. So m formula we have p plus e. So 3 plus 7. Simply I will substitute the values of p and e and I get $10 as m. But sometimes if your m is given and you have to find the inside variable, you will do opposite of the sign. Okay, plus will become minus and minus will become plus, inverse operation. If it is multiply, it will become division and division will become multiplication. So I will use the same formula, children. M equals p plus e. M is given here 12 and p we have to find. E is also given here 4. Because 4 is standing with addition sign, when it will go here, it will become minus sign. What is the inverse of addition? Subtraction. So to find the p, you will do subtract from 12. So that is 8. So p is equals to 8. I hope it's clear. It's very simple and easy topic. Okay, now next is how to collect the like terms. Now what do you mean by like terms? Like terms are the numbers which are having, or we can say terms which are having same variables. Okay, like 3a and 2a, both are having a, so they are like terms. Here both are having x, so they are like terms. So we have to collect them and write the final answer. So x plus x plus x, just simply add. How many times x is given? 3 times. So just write 3x. How many times? Now don't combine the different letters because we are collecting the like terms. Don't combine the unlike terms. So y plus y will gives you 2y plus 3z. Okay, how many times are written z here? 3 times. So you will just say 3z. 5d plus 3d. So it will be 8d. 9j plus j plus 7j. Now if there is no number, it means 1. So 9 plus 1, 10 plus 7 will gives you 17j. All the variables are same, so they all are like terms. Here we have two types of different variables, x and y. So just combine x together, y together. Do not change their signs here. Inverse operation will do only when equations comes or equals to sign is coming. Here there is no equals to sign. So 2x plus 3x will gives you 5x. 8y plus 6y will gives you 14y. Next is a, b, c. We have 3 different types of variable here. So we will just combine the like terms. 3a, we don't have any a here, so just write 3a as it is. Then plus 4b minus 2b. So 4 minus 2 will gives you 2b. Then 5c minus 8c. Now 5 is less than 8. So we will say minus 3c. Okay. Now another last one, 12 is a constant. We don't have, we have here also constant, here also constants. So just simply first you collect the like terms. 12 minus 6 plus 6h minus 3h. See, I have collected first like terms and then I will solve, so that I should not do any mistake. If you don't want to give any mistake, you just first collect and rewrite again and then solve. So 12 minus 6 will gives you 6. 6h minus 3h will gives you 3h. Now look here, the first number is positive, the bigger number, so put the positive sign. Because your second, the smaller number is negative, so you will not put negative sign. Here also my bigger number is positive, so I will put here positive sign. 8 minus 3 will gives you 5. So in simple words, first you collect the like terms and then you add and subtract according to their given instruction. Next topic is expanding brackets. So expanding means what? We have to multiply the term which is outside the bracket with every term inside the bracket. So now like here is a in bracket b plus c, means we have to multiply a with b and c both. So first you will multiply a with b, so it will be a times b, ab. Then we have to multiply a with c, so it will be, please, the sign will not change, your brackets will go off but your sign will remain same because there is no outside any different sign, so the plus will become plus. A times c will gives you ac. Now you can't collect any like term together, so this is your final answer. With same thing we will do it in the negative also. So a times b will gives you ab minus ac. So this property is called distributive property. Now let me do some examples with you. So 2 times 2 gives you 4x plus 2 times 4 will gives you 8. Okay. Now next is 3y. 3 times y gives you 3y plus 3 times 6 gives you 18. Now the third one is 6 times 2 gives you 12 plus 6 times w will gives you 6w. Now outside also we have some number and variable also. So variable also multiply. 3b times 3b will gives you 9b square. Okay, b times b will becomes b square plus 3 times 4 will gives you 12. B, there is no b, so just write b and g. 12bg. If for instance if there is any negative sign here, then you will bring the negative sign also here. And when negative and positive will come together, the final sign will also be negative. Okay, so let me give you one example with that. Minus 4, 2a plus 3. So negative 4 will gives you negative 8a and negative and positive will become negative 4, 3, 12. So this will be your answer. Please children, use integers here. Now next one is, our next topic is how to construct and solve the equations. Now equations are what? Where equals to sign comes. An equation shows two expressions are equal. It always contains an equal sign. So you can see here two expressions are there, this and this. They both are equal. How to become equal? We have to solve. So x plus 4, here we will use the inverse operation. If it is positive, it become negative. If it is negative, it become positive. So x plus 4 gives you 11. So x plus 4 equals 11. Now both the side we will do minus 4 minus 4. So x plus 4 minus 4, 11 minus 4. But I just told you, you have to subtract the negative sign because here is positive. So I have subtracted both the side negative number. So this will be finished because positive and negative will become 0, and 11 minus 4 you will get your x value, that is 7. So next is x. Now here we have negative value, so you will add both the side this number. Because here we have negative, so you will do opposite. So both the side you will add, and remember you have to do both the side, not only single side. So we will do addition so that this will become 0. Negative 12 and positive 12 become 0, and you simply add this one, becomes 26. Now here is in division multiplication position, so you will do division both the side with 12. So this 12 and this 12 will go off, so your final answer will be, how many times 72 comes in 12 table? 6 times. So x equals 6. This side, this time we have to do 2 step sums here. First you will remove 3 both the side. So 2a plus 3 minus 3 gives you 13 minus 3. You can see because it is positive 3, I have subtracted both the side, negative 3, negative 3. So this will go off. I left with 2a equals 10. Now we will divide with, because it is in multiply position, so I will divide both the side with 2. So this 2 will go off, so your final answer 10 divided by 2, 5. Next one, first step I will remove this 4 by inverse operation. So 7x minus 4 plus 4 equals 38 plus 4. So 7x equals this will go off, 38 plus 4 will gives you 42. So now this time we will divide both the sides 7, because here is 7, because it is in multiply position. So we will divide. Opposite of multiplication is division. Opposite of division is multiplication. So your x will be 6. Now don't get confused. Sometimes this side is coming this side, like here. Your thing will be same. Your way of doing will be same. So you will this is positive 2, so you will do subtract 2 both the side. So this will go off. You will left with 12 over 3c. This is in multiply position, so divide both the side. 3 will cut off, and how many times 12 comes in 3 table? 4 times. Last one, n equals, because it is in division positions, multiplication position, so you will do divide. So n will be 8 will go off, 12. 96 divided by 8 is 12. So you can see that when we are solving the equations, we have to find the value of the given variable. We have to make them equal. Now if you will replace this variable with the given value, with the value you have found, it will be same, like here 8 times 12 gives you 96. So both the side will be 96. You can see here my n is 12, so I will substitute this n with 12, so it will be 96 equals 96. So you see both the sides become same. Next topic is, no, this is the same topic now. Here we are, I have given you the isosceles triangle. What is the property of an isosceles triangle? That both the sides are same. Both these long sides are same, and base angles are same. So now if they both are equal or same, not same, equal, then you will construct an equation like this way. If they are equal, then it means like this. Do the same thing what we have done in the previous page. First you will remove 1, because here is positive, it become negative. Then this will go off and it will become 30. Now you find the p value with divide. So 13 divided by 2 will gives you 6.5. Sometimes it may come in division, but decimal also. Okay. Now next topic is inequalities, children. This is the last topic of the chapter. Inequalities means comparing signs are coming, less than, greater than. greater than or equals to or less than or equals to. So an inequality compares two quantities that are not equal. So you can see here this sign say greater than, so x is greater than 4. Okay, if the way you are writing the mouth, whichever is bigger, the mouth will open to that, crocodile mouth will open to that number. Okay, let's assume this is a crocodile mouth. So less than means x is less than 4. See, the crocodile mouth is open to 4, that's why the opposite side is less than. When you see this greater than and this small line, that means it is greater than or equals to, and this sign say greater than, less than or equals to. So we can say A is greater than or equals to 6 and B is less than or equals to 12. So it may be 12 or below number. Here it may be 6 or above number. Not below than 6 but above than 6, because A is greater than 6. If you see, when you are drawing the number line, inequality or number line, which you are going to do right now with me, if you see this type of circle, it means open circle. And if you see this type of circle, means closed circle. Now remember, closed circles always go with this type of symbols, and open circle will go with greater than and less than, single greater than and less than. So let's see now how we will read this one. X is, because the mouth is open towards 10, so we will say x is less than 10. Then y is greater than or equal to 5. So we can say y is greater than or equal to 5. Okay, y is, now we have to write in inequality. Y is greater than 4. So simply y is greater than 4. Open the mouth towards y. P is less than or equal to -1. Now P is less than means open the mouth towards -1, but it is equals to also there. So we will write this symbol. So remember, this type of symbols where equals to sign is also coming, you will use closed circle, and the single less than or equals greater than, you will use open circle. So now we are going to draw the inequality on number line, which is very important. X is more than or greater than 4, -4. Okay, so you will draw your open circle on -4 like this. Because x is greater than, so it means you will go towards right. Start from this number -4, and if it is greater than, right side. If it is less than, left side. Remember, greater than, go towards right on number line. Less than, go towards left side. So this is the way you will draw. We don't know what number. It can be -3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2 or so on. But we just know that x is more than -4. If I say y is less than or equals to 6. Now when your symbol is coming like this, you will draw the closed circle on the top of this number. Because y is less than, so it will, number line will go towards left. So I will draw the closed circle here, and I will draw a line towards left. Okay, 4 is less than or equals to y, means y is more than 4. So we will draw a closed circle on this number 4 and go towards right. Then we have m is less than -3. So m is less than means we will go towards left. So from 3. And there is no closed circle because there is no equal to sign. So just draw open circle and go like this. So I hope children, you guys understand. I explained you the full chapter in this video in just 20 minutes or 25 minutes. If you have any questions regarding this chapter, you can comment in my comment section box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share also. Another topic will be same topic, but it belongs for grade 8. So grade 8 children also, first they should understand grade 7 topics before they go to grade 8. So have a nice day. See you tomorrow.